Well, just sitting in the parking lot here at Timmy's Shell, the meeting spot for sledders in town here. We got Jaryn over here, and we're gonna ride with Jaden too. Still don't have a plan yet. It is looking a little bit sunny out there, but not straight blue, so not sure if we're just gonna stick around here, maybe go up Boulder, or go a little bit south maybe. We made the decision to go a little south to that zone I wanted to hit up. It looks like the last sunny-ish day for about a week, so figured I'd have to hit it now if I want to hit it at all. I think these guys were up here the last time I was here. Just got the wood stove in the trailer just going. Camping out here for the weekend. Just getting ready to head out here. Looking at my sled, I noticed I lost a lug. Hopefully the track holds up. Should. Eesh, God, that sucks. Just cut that last bit off there so it doesn't rip off and tear more track with it. Doesn't look like there's been anyone back to this zone for quite some time. No fresh tracks. I don't believe it. It actually looks like blue sky above the mountain we want to go to. Okay, well, scratch that. There's a shit ton of tracks. They just all came from a different way, a longer way, which is odd. 10 points for this bird. Well, the only thing I haven't decided is what side of this peak we are going to go on. Left is a bit of a train trap for a bit, and then on the right there's kind of an open face. Okay, well, that's kind of weird. All these tracks come up to here and then stop and turn around. Huh. I have no idea how I wheelied up through that and planted my sled between the two trees there. The snow is actually looking really stable today, so that's good. Well, at this elevation anyway. Gonna keep checking as I go up, but I think the warmth yesterday and then a bit of a cool down settled it out. Jesus, it like stopped me dead. So that little face right there, just through the trees, like on the right, is an easy way up. Go look at it. Whoops. Well, we're up here in the Alpine, and it's not the day for the Alpine. You can't see. Well, I guess opening my pocket like 100 times a day took its toll on the zipper. Time for a new pocket. You saving that for later?
What? Oh!
It was like 6 inches long.
Fuck, it's only like 10.
Snaked my way through that little cliff band here, right through this tree, and I didn't quite make the rest of it. We got Jaryn down there. He was just upside down. I think Jaden's stuck too. And
Ready for lunch?
ready for lunch?
Yeah.
I'm sure you will be after that. You know, I thought I heard some crunching.
Oh, there was a crunch. I really hope it was branches though.
Nice warm cinnamon bun on the mountain. Mm-hmm. That's some good trail mix there.
It's really good.
So the last time I rode with Jaryn, he lasted about an hour before I smashed things.
We're like 4 or 5 now.
Yeah, today we made 4 hours, so good improvement. Uh-oh. I got this straight, but it doesn't really line up with the tunnel. I don't know if there's supposed to be a hole there either.
I think we'll just have to super glue this back
Yeah,
in.
just put it back in?
Yeah.
Should be good to go.
Good to go.
What you got in your hand there? Oh, where'd that come from?
I don't know.
No? Ah.
That's better than 10 grand of damages this time.
That's getting off pretty easy.
Yeah.
Let the downhill descent begin. Oh no. What? Are you serious? Just ignore my heavy breathing. Here's Jaryn. She's steep. Let's go see what's over here. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Should have ripped my head right off. Woohoo! Oh, what were you screaming about over there?
They're the sickest boat top I've ever done in my life. Trees on both sides. Came out unscarred. So close.
No idea what he's going for here.
Very nice.
Somebody screwed the bolt up and it wasn't me.
It's Jaryn.
I had a fun day riding with Jaryn, and I ride with so many damn Jays. I had a fun day riding with Jaryn and Jaden. Yesterday is Jason and Jesse, and then there's another Jesse. Anyway, yeah, fun day ripping. It's too bad the sun didn't come out in the Alpine like I was hoping, because then we would have really covered some ground. But yeah, it was cool to get back up into the zone. This is a gnarly creek bed through here. Yeah, I'm just gonna see when the guys show up here, strap on my gas, and head out the trail. It's already 5 o'clock almost. I love how it's light out so late now. I think when I first got out here, it was dark at like just after 4, like dark, and now it's 5 o'clock and it's still light. I don't know if there's going to be any more clips for today's video. If there's not, I guess we'll see you tomorrow, day 53. Take care. You should jump off that. You could transfer right onto this pillow and it'd be super smooth.
That's pretty sweet. I'm ready for bed.
You're ready for bed? Does he do something cool or just get stuck? The answer was get stuck.
Hey?
Oh, nothing. You're the logger boy. Is this one of those things they use to like sling the logs up and down the hill or something? What do they use this bitch for?
I have no fucking clue. I'm not from 1920.
You're the logger. You should know.
What's it called? I have no clue.
What's it called?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
I wish every trail was like this out of the mountain at the end of every day. I don't know if this is the same moose, but it's like 10K up the road now. I think this one's a lot bigger.